What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm going to share with you now. My people, I not lie, this morning, Annie get up on a different side, my people. You see me I say? Right now, she give it to the lion man full force. You see me I say? Him also give it to she back. You know what I mean? And people, me don't know why Annie always come back around when it come to the lion man. It look like say she have Stockholm syndrome of people. That the man in the ram fi bring her down. And every bring the dog bring her down. You see me I say, a little time run off, then you see them back together again. You see me, and that's why enough of the time me not take these things on TikTok serious, you know. Not even enough of the time. Not one time, all the times. You know what I mean? We just have it as entertainment. That's what I say. So I'm going to share with all of my people. Because one something go on, one piece of bring down go on. See, ivany I try getting at the middle for mediate and, you know what I mean? So I'm going to share what Annie tell, like Ivany say, the reason why she going to cut off the lion man right through because all of the things them will go on with she and Destiny them will bring her down. She see him. You know what I mean? So we are going to run through the intro quick and fast for people. We also have the Lion Man and Jabbas, them now deal. You see me, I see them on a live together, you know. And I'm going to share the live there with Uno also. But the Lion Man talk why him cut him off. You see me, I say? So we are going to get in at that also. And we have more things with people. We even have Diamond. We have Diamond. I address the girls them who figure it out inbox. So me I say I look like say the girl them a flood the dog inbox with be a message or something. You know what I mean? So people wanna not hear in the intro, but I go see it in the video and maybe me add even more things as we go along. So make we get in it.
Because like in person, yo. In person, Jayden is a good person. In person, Jayden loving, kind. Asks if everybody good. You understand me? Always I inquire if everybody okay. Especially when in their own me. He make sure say me good. I'm not ungrateful to people who love me and take care of me. But you tell me say on the media, in can't con this my daughter them type of way and make up certain things and people run with it. And next him go over to other people where him know say him and them the people are friend. And sit down with them and slaughter me. You understand me? And expect say that a joke towards me. That not a joke towards me. Because me dep on the media and somebody dep on it with me and I diss you. Me I diss them, that's how me think about you. You see me? And not everything a joke. You understand what me I say? You see how them deal with my daughter, you notice you come, you know, and you talk. You see me? Right? And you come today and you talk and you say to me, say XYZ. I know you're not the fact of how things affect me kids. You don't realize that each time I talk about my kids, you don't realize how things affect my kids. And the same people then where you are par with that them I do it. And you sit down and laugh with them and gloat with them at the end of the day. And feel say something good. Bro, you can't be a friend to me. You can never be a friend to me. I mean, I don't care who are your followers and who rate you. Yeah, my name Annie and I just talk my truth. Me I stand up for my kids them. Yeah. Me I stand up for my kids them at the end of the day. You understand what me I say? Come off from my blood clot phone. What fuck your chat say? A your phone? Me come take up your phone early in the morning and turn it on. Cause like you know no fucking sense. That's why I no found up on this and I say we sick. I own a sick man. I mean I want nobody comment and tell me about no dirty stinking blood clot Destiny. Me no want nobody tell me about no stinking, dirty, big thinking, deep hole body man. Me no nobody come tell me about no Destiny, bro. Cause me I wonder who is Destiny. Destiny right off of social media. Them the people they are wicked. From week me I go through a thing and nobody even know what go on. Destiny they on my phone. My screenshot and show no right now. Destiny they on my WhatsApp and stalk me. Wanna give them a people a space, them a big dirty thinking body man. Wanna give them all opportunity for these people. Eh? Oh, Batty man fi come and talk about a mother we carry her pitney and I like me dash on me pitney them. Me can't me youth. Me struggle with me youth. Me make a lot of mistakes. Eh? And you go tell me some look dirty Batty man. Abomination unto the Lord. Eh? Wanna come and egg them on. Eh? Fi come these people where they out here start try and a beg and a push life for them pitney. What type of world we in a? Wanna want me come out here so every day and cuss. Run up my pressure. Eh? Seek death towards me. I would never seek death to any man. I would never wish death upon my neighbor. I would never wish death upon my friend. I will never wish death upon my family. And the type of heart who no have me no want come near uno. Like no joke, the things they want to do, I don't want to be around people like uno. All of the wickedness one not talk say what me would I do. Me I tell you the truth. You need to go sit down one side. You hear me tell you? Go and sit down. Because you want to talk about me as a demon. Me I tell you the truth. Who no be? What no be? What not go say me a wicked mother? All these things I want to talk about my family, bro. Yo, me tell you something. You leave me alone. Me don't know who send you no. Me don't know when me do panda media, you make everyone come off of me. But me just need enough to leave me the fuck alone. Right? See, people say, me put down meat pan people fridge over the neighbor. Right? Yeah. Them say me put down meat pan people fridge. And that them say no. Over the neighbor yard. And the neighbor tired of me. People look if no neighbor there so. Look pa me pan that piece of land yeah. The land where them say a somebody give me pan social media. Right? Tell me where the neighbor there no me love. Look. I want to no look good. Eh? I want man down there so and him came sick. I'm not gonna say he's a madman. He's very sick. And him the right here so one man. Right? I him come do some work for me this morning. I want to no look pan the land no man. I want to know show me where the fucking neighbor there. For sure you say uno or some wicked blood clot pan this. So me drum here when me buy what here yeah, because me I forget water. Right? So the drum here, come, me now go show you my dirty plate, excuse me. Anyway, come back around again because I want to see the neighbor where me get some meat from. I got the back of the yard. Hold on, you know. Well, and then I'm see my rubbish sheep right here, so burning rubbish. Well, and then my baby, me I go round the back and I want to find the neighbor where me give the meat for put on. Neighbor, where you there? Neighbor, neighbor, neighbor. Neighbor, where the neighbor there? Yeah, this is the back of the yard. Right at the back of the place, the whole light we tear down around here, so I just look for the neighbor, my love. Come, find the neighbor for me. Where the neighbor there on the piece of land? Oops, I'm a house. Yeah, the piece of house is. Oh, that way there? No, that way. Oh, see there. Yeah, see the piece of house where me I work on. So for sure, no sound no evil and wicked, no blood clots. Evil, wicked. You understand what me I say? I'm bad mind. You get me? Come catch up, come start up here. Put some shampoo in my ear for me, the baby. I can't go to the ear without the ear wash. Me not get it. Me not get it, you know. I don't understand. Right? I mean, I tell you, say, big thinking, dirty batty boy, they on my phone, I start down my phone, all different type of people, they on my phone. Girl, I come round at my place. You understand me? I look which part Annie live. Me a superstar. I'm a superstar. I never know that. Eh? Roll out the red carpet.
Alright, so, Annie, first of all, the word is stalk, not stock, stalk. That's what I say. And my people, them take out Annie for one big poppy show, you know. Big woman thing, you know. Because a lot of people me see them catch up on social media and them not take it that far for send people, got people yard and going at people WhatsApp people and them something there. You know what I mean? So them really take disadvantage of Annie, you know what I mean? And maybe true Annie not have no bag of people for back her or them type of way there. And them have her as the worst of the worst in a way, you see me? So she a move up and in a life right now, like we done saying in the last video with my job. Make enough people don't like that and don't want to see it happen. So they might try their best to bring her down. But guess what, my people? And they are going to make it to their life. You know what I mean? Because I know say enough people hear her story and sympathize with her and I go keep and support her. But let me know what I think, my people. I can watch some more.
All come stack me at my place. I go chop up one on a blood clot. Man, I no good in my mouth for chat this morning. I mean, I talk about Jayden because I rate Jayden in a real life. But when I'm doing me no want no talking with Jayden. Me no care what I say. You understand me? And if me know you, and me know, say, you're the type of person here, you come and diss me certain way. Me not have to come up here so I come do certain things. You get me? Me not have to come up here so come do certain things. All me have to do is just cut you off and avoid you, not say nothing to you because you take everything for joke. But you see, for the rest of blood clot them, remember me tell you, a problem. Oh. Any blood clot girl come round at this. Me and you tell you no. If me have to go down a blood clot, if me have to lie down on cold concrete, I'm going to do it. You understand me? I'm see a girl step towards me. Me I make sure say, you know, me report people and do what I have to do, you know. Because any day somebody make the media you fool, you know. I go chop out, you know, blood clot on this. Remember me tell you, anywhere wanna come round in your so, when me there, and step on my blood clot property. You hear me I tell you? Hey, suki now, bitch. Remember me tell you, suki now, bitch. Because guess what? A long time me no lick a girl. A long time me no kick a girl. A long time me no blood clot kick a girl in her pussy. Remember me tell you that. So me want you take badness and come round ya. Me want you to take badness and come round ya so. That me want do. And that me want me gonna make happen. Since you not run down the media, you not run and come. Come. Yeah, me not back down from none of you. So you want my pressure to kill me. I that you say. So far you there. Destiny dey on my phone. Me not say nobody on the social media say, but bro, what you do on the woman phone? For your mother must eat your blood clot. Me not no pitney we come turn Batman and left them bad. Make them go on bad. You is abomination. For your mama must shame like a dog. You have one long seed blood clot son. Your mama have a long seed blood clot son. I said our son come multiply and divide. And come plus up. You come blood clot are going a shit. How much is that? How much is that talking about me as a bad mother? A mother will keep her pitney. Me no name them, me no curry them, me no brown stew them, me no jerk them. Ma carry them come struggle with them. And you a go blood clot come tell me say you a come here so like some deep dirty blood clot pit we can't go blood clot see. Need a motherfucking bong. That on my WhatsApp. A stack me and your people them. A lesbian and a motherfucking Batman. Stacking Annie. You don't see a demon them here. You don't see a fucking demon them here. A nasty motherfucking donkey, and a motherfucking bitch looking like a nigga, I stuck my blood clot phone. Come on, man. Send all of them come. Me no want nobody talk to me. Me no want nobody say nothing to me. Me go through my pain, my struggle. Father God, we see me through. Father God, we see me through. There must be a light. There must be a light at the end of the tunnel. It have to be a light down there. Me I search for the motherfucking light, you know. Me I search for the light. It have to be a light at the end of the tunnel. There's a light there. You see me? And that's why me hate fucking you, fucking Jayden, for what you do. Because you see me and your sister, me I struggle with me, you them, and you come round me, and me no pretend with you. Since they dip on the media, me think say you would have come to boobs and try to motivate me. You motivate me and take it back. You see me? And go towards me kids them. Bro, me no rate you. And that me I tell you. Just allow me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Una pussy on the internet, una do every little thing to get on the fucking views. Everybody a come off of me but una want take me down, una take me down. What me do? What me do more than me talk my life? And me talk about my kids them and me struggle and what me I do. You understand me? What the fuck me do on the internet so fucking much? One that want take me down. And me want fuck young boy for me business. You understand what me I say? When they out there show my pum pum, eh? When they out there advertise my pum pum, one couldn't go advertise on the mama pum pum. Why not go advertise on the mama pum pum? Eh? Because right now, if no found to see on the mama pum pum, on a run to blood clot. Remember me tell you, when I come advertise my front, why not go advertise on the mama scratches? But when I do that, don't. Eh? Because Annie there son, Annie not give none of we no chance. Bitch, you don't have no style. You not no style. You make a done said come have style over you. Oh please. Where they got school for? What the fuck you got school for? Annie not give we no chance. Eh? Me never know me your line up. Me never know say me you there at school. Me never know say we dey on the playground. Eh? But me not give you no chance. On a bad mind. I remember me telling you, say anything you wanna create, it'll go come back right back pan uno. Yeah. Yeah, it'll right back, it'll come back. Me I tell you that. Watch and see. But just agree me over here, so just being me. Yeah, right back. Me see a girl chat. Chat. Me see a girl get up every day. I don't know the girl name. Every day the girl put up picture and hide for her piece of house round about. Me nah hide for me. See there? Me nah hide it. Me nah hide it. Every day the girl get up from morning to night they pan my name. Hey girl, me rate you fudge. Right now, me fi pay you for good promotion. Me and if I pay you for good promotion because me I tell you the truth. To all you hate my family, y'all I promote my family and you don't see. Good job. Bless up yourself. Zoe, come get me here done. Me go do what me have to do. Please. Yeah, man, wonderful job. I gave her a thumbs up enough time. She don't even know. I gave her a thumbs up a lot of time, but she don't know. Make sure angle it, man. I love it. You see, Danny Boo and Chrissy, all of my blue team, all of my people, them were there, so one blue team make them know, no? You don't know, so me there wait for CDA. I swear to God. But there wait for CDA, no? I wait Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm go down to the Saturday, double it on a Sunday. I there wait for CDA, my love. I there wait and I can't see them come. The phone call now go through. You know how long me there wait for CDA? All of them dirty blood clad people, them a look on them pitney. Them take a time out and more invest about me. Everything is about fucking me. You understand? So take a look at it. Them build a group about me. Eh? I'll pay people for coming in. But that important? Man, I lie. I feel special. I feel special. I'll tell little sister if she not come, the member say me have to go away, you know. Guys, me I beg on if you can't tap up a screen. There's so many people over here, guys. You can't tap up a screen, please. Yeah.
Alright, my people. Wanna tell me what you think in the comments. I go watch some more. Not talk too much panda one.
The best on the app, love. Boy, I wonder sometimes, I not lie to you, I wonder, like, I sit down and I really think about it, and I say, really? Like, what me do, sometimes I feel sit down and I look at myself and I say, what really about me make them come off of me, so like, what a problem? You understand? But when me hear the voice note them and all of the threat, me I say, wow, really? Really? Hey, one night when them see me, I go do one match, you know. The whole of them team up, you know, me I tell you, say, oh, eh? He may come. Them call down the phone back at one another, me I tell you, say, them group up, you know. Them group up in, I'm going to tell you something. And I like, me don't have, and I like, yes, the donkey. And I like, say, me not have information pan them. I could have there put out information pan them, mother, them this, them that, them full name. I'm not that type of person. I'm not gonna do that. From you diss me, I'ma see you diss me, I go tell you my mind, I'ma go about my business. Tomorrow me don't even remember you. Why should I? Why should I? Me now go down and remember you and say nothing about you because you're not that important. You see me? But them know exactly what them do. Right? See all the video where them put out about my daughter. You go tell me say, no watch your video? You not go tell me say, no watch it. If them watch your video, I do some wicked blood clot pussy hole pan this. None for them are some wicked, some blood clot demon where they pan this. Them watch your video, and none for them still a run with it and say, yes, honey pitney. Job because them a look blood clot something. Look pan dirty girl a come talk about me put on meat pan her fridge. Me could have so full of girl yard. Me could have so full of girl yard when me don't know no girl from up here. Me don't know nobody from bout here. And me, I go end up put meat pan smaddy fridge round here. Who the round here so for me put meat pan fridge with? Which girl me ever chat to up here so? For sure you them determined. Them come out and Eva say my son have sex with my daughter. Alex have sex with Zoe. To the fuck are them desperate. Yeah. I say all of this, them know who it a come from. Because at the end of the day, Jayden can make him joke, you know. And talk to him bag a crowd and this my family. A long time Jayden and this my family. And next Jayden carry to share. You hear me I tell you? A long time Jayden and this my family and I'm me at the fault to sit down and listen to this fuck and still come back because when I tell I avoid you. I avoid you, I love you. You see me? The two we argue, I love you. And I did it and we come back again and you apologize and we move on. You see me? Why Jabas no do them your fuckery? Answer the question here. Why blood clot Jabas no come do them fuckery? Why you never hear Jabas a disrespect me pitney them type of way there or you come out? And you get you come and you there with one of my daughter. And when them come and them say me blood clot set you up. Me stand up same way. People slaughter me. You see me? And me get all of the blood clot blame. And you there with my daughter. What give you the right for disrespect me, the girl? Alright, me not say I'm a daughter then, but woman by far. Woman by far. What give you the right for come out and a disrespect her like that? If you say even me and you are friend and you know me pitney them and you rate my family and you not break up, bro, nobody not have to know certain things or certain things on to keep it on a level. Yes, a look up pussy youth. I don't know why you stay so. I don't know why you stay so. Even at what time you one time your other girlfriend a cuss you. And when you there on the phone and we are plan up how we are gonna deal with the whole thing. So why would you come out and run go over that the big old tough skin blood clad man looking drunk, that Debo looking dude, Why you da go over there, go slaughter me youth them and tell that the bomber all the things about my family. And when all of them turn down pan blood clot me, you see me? You know when me see a post by your page and say, Annie, don't come cry. I bet it what? Don't come cry to me. Me look for your Instagram. Yeah. You say by your Instagram, Annie, don't come cry to me. You see me? Brother, you're a heartless blood clot dude and you're selfish. You're selfish, no fuck. And you know exactly what you do. Even the argument about you and Mika in a back seat, and you go blood clot tell people that. You can tell people that. The amount of things where you talk about Mika, boom, me I wonder you. Why would you do that and still want to say me and your friend? Brother, me and you no blood clot friend, brother. Me don't want a friendship from you. Me don't want to deal with you. Me can tell people say you have good ways. And you have good influence if you want to use it. You see me? Me now go take with that from you. You understand me? And you have good influence once you use it in a right and proper way. You're supposed to do some...
Hey, people. Me I wonder if a joke thing when it come to the lion man and everything we him do and say when it come to Annie them. You see me I say? Because Annie I go make a speech you know. You know what I mean? Like she say. This is a person who cook food and you eat from them. I'm a people, yo, and that's why I know say me different still, you know, from me look at me different, you know. Cause certain things me nah do, you know, my people. Certain things me nah do, me I tell you, no, believe me. So, we are go hear what Annie have to say. You can watch some more.
Cool! Jayden! Remember you saying, remember I say me more think, you know, and me think and me this and me that, you know. It's a woman who cook your food, this, you know. It's a woman who did it and, yo, youth, you know, if you do me them type of way, you're in a youth. Jayden, you have one of the biggest influence on social media. Me laugh off enough of your jokes, then me not laugh. You can go to school and book for school and go influence kids. You understand me? I say you can go homes and drive up in your blood clot ride. I want to you ride them hot. And you baby them. Something what me know about you. You name your car them. You see me? You name your motherfucking car them. And you baby them and you drive up and go homes and go influence the kids them. You hear me I tell you? You have such an influence where you not use it the right and proper way. And at that me didn't look up to you for. At that make me look up to you. You see me? Because I see how your company up, how them deal with you, how you gravitate, how you deal with things. And not for your money. You understand me? I say the strength when me see in you. You understand? You don't make nobody hold you down. So the fuck you go come now and deal with me them type of way you feel say me I go rate you. Big man, me not go rate you upon them your level here. Especially my own kids. Me not go rate you. To you. Not go rate you upon them your level here. So I'm looking thinking dirty blood clot man royal girl. You have a drag back of you right now. And I tell them a bag of things and I try to mash up my life. And you go talk to me like me an idiot. You go talk to me like me an idiot. Some girl wear suck crutches. Some girl wear suck blood clot crutches. When girl for there get hood. When girl for multiply and get hood. Some abomination girl come talk about me a bad mother. Me no dash on me pitney them, me no name them, bro. Me there me struggle with them, me make a lot of mistakes. You see me? But me still a stand up for them same way. You understand what me I say? Me can't correct for the wrong way me do, but me can't move toward the motherfucking right. Me can't move toward the motherfucking right. You understand me? And you go tell me say some look a dirty ass bitch. You go come and come this me them type of way they fan come laughing at my face, youth. Big man, me no depend that with you. Me not have to be a dunce for understand when you not step on me. Me not have to be a dunce for see someone did you not laugh behind my back and not slaughter me. My 14-year-old baby. Me not hear you say nothing about that. Me not hear you say nothing about that. Even depend the life and you go say share. You can't even say yo share. Me don't know if you drop a video, you know, but you know say she drop a video. And you go look on her and say my girl, you know say me not like that way you do. No matter where me and Annie in. You see me? Me not rate that way you do, you know. You can't deal with people pitting them type of way there. Brother, them the thing that me look up to you for. And them the something that me look up to you, Jayden. And you're young. Me and my son tell me about me treat you better than him. Jagger look for me and tell me say me deal with you better than blood clot him youth. Till Jagger cuss me and I tell me say use me. And me still stay around you. You see me? Brother, me attack my mind, and that is it. Who want hate me. But a lot of you not real, you just not real. Selfish. When they come on to yourself, you don't sink anybody. You understand me? You don't look upon it and tell yourself, say, yo, you know, say when me I do it, I go hurt that person here deeply. Things like when me would think for do because me would try to hurt you a certain way. Like what yeah, you see me, right? When them a come and I say, a girl come and I say to you, say, me want harm you. Zin? What like, let me take a drink. Let me take a drink because I'm supposed to even say this before I come off my life. Because I'm going to focus on my daughter. You see me? I'm not going to make no life take over. Nothing. I'm going to focus on my daughter. You see all what there one time, that little nigga they come on your page, that little chansy looking nigga try for looking like a lady, You see when that nigga they come on your page, you should have looked on her when she come and tell you say me would have want to take your life. Jayden, in no way you would have really think say me would have want to harm you. Tell me the God Almighty truth now. And you sit down there. Right now, man, don't put me head dirty, man. Don't do that. Jesus, no. You don't me head dirty, no do it. Me hair dirty, you cannot do that. See there?
We are going.
You know, see like you can plant piece of yam here, so.
Me want your ears.
No, me had to wash, go set up your water, you mad? Go get your shampoo.
So you come, you know, just send me this thing.
Not do that. Not that good. And when you see me a crutches out the back foot, you go see lice. Maybe I'll one of my shoes lace drop out of my ear to rotted wall. Maybe I'll go find a lighter when I couldn't find from bowl last week in my head top. You crazy? We go wash your ear. Right? So anyway, me not skip off of what me I say. What day when time I see that nigga they come to him and I tell him say I want to take in life. And he set up man for arm you. And me did I watch him man sit down and you don't really believe that? Guys, me I beg on some taps now, please. Please, me I ask you now. Please, me I ask you now. If you can just tap up his screen, please, I'm asking you. Please. Me I ask you now kindly. Just tap up his screen. That's all me I beg on you. Just tap up his screen. You understand what I say? Just bless your life. Right? Me would have really, me anyway, you say we know each other. And you sit down and listen to that nigga tell you say, I want to take your life. And me I set up rate. Where girl have how much phone and they pan people live and watch me all in a middle night. All when me no come on pan the live and me did there easy back and I enjoy myself. I saw a girl they pan the live and watch me and I text and I watch me anywhere me go. When she can't find me, she confused. And you did it. We say me, you know me and me know you. And you did it make that fucking nigga come tell us say me want harm you. Brother, them there's something they bone me. I mean I tell you that. At them there's something they really bone me. You see me? When it come on to you, Jabbas, and the whole Hans family, you know how me think about my people them. What the fuck a fucking nigga like that can come to you, come tell us say me want harm you. You're supposed to look on him quick and fast and say, my girl, no matter what we depend, nobody come with your fuckery. And I run with blood clot dirty stick.
People, me not lie still, you know. Yo, the lion man, he hurt and he still, you know. Big man thing, you know, people. He hurt anyone. And he love a boy there, you know. Me don't know why, like, most of the women them where this youth here become friends with. You see what I say? Then check for him, you know. Look on Rosealee. Rosealee check for him, you know. You see what I say? And then can't agree. A be a war and strife. You see what I say? And I know them a do it, you know. Him, the lion man, a do it. I don't know if he love contention and him something there still, but people don't make me know what to think. Make watch some more.
Thinking crosses blood clot, girl. And if you don't want this or certain way, tell her the truth, because you know say me would hurt you. So you want to send out message to people out there like say, I want to take your life, brother. What do you when time you go through your fuckery, a man want come play with you, and you call me. Brother, when you call me, first call, you call me a shit, I want shit up myself. You don't feel like I want to me pitney them call me and tell me say, mommy, we in a trouble. You see me? And when you tell me that and nobody now see you on social media, brother, you know everybody feel. People who don't even know you are checking upon you. You know that fucking feel? And when you look at me and tell me say Annie XYZ, you want my belly bottom that drop. You see me? Quick and fast, me I say me coulda dare your foot. Me can't fight. Me can't do nothing. But at least me know say me can dare around you to make sure say you're motherfucking comfortable. I saw you pre yourself but a real fucking friend. And when me see Jabba step in and make sure say you get your place and make sure say you're good. And me say Jabba's there on you, me comfortable because me say at least somebody can do that for you. Jayden, me and you know same. Me maybe not have the education where you can read certain things and read, but me brilliant, you fuck. Jayden, me brilliant, me street smart. And me I use what I have so you can help me through life. You see me? Everything when I have, me just put it together and I push. You see me? Me never dash when me youth them. What do you me see you come so boop say you're there over fucking Tonian, bro. And when you go over Tonian, and tell Tonian say fi style me, diss me. You see me? And them something them me pre about you. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? But you no look on the fuck and say you are the Tonian, diss me first. You never take a time out to realize you she first fuck around me. A long time blood clot Tonian a diss me. And right now me still not blood clot this time. Me just easy for the argument. And you go over there, go tell them for this me and tell her for call Mumbo Clot Debo. You tell them for call Debo from Friday. You tell if you go call Debo for joining because of the motherfucking views, bro. You see me? And all of them come in now and start this me, you just sit down and start laugh. You know, say you come like a leprechaun if me look on it. Eh? Yeah, when me look on it, here's a leprechaun. Cause me sit down and one time everything I go on, you just pan. And you just a laugh. Here's a motherfucking leprechaun. And each time you get what you want, you're good. You fulfill everything. You come off your life and you're gone. Sometimes you set up people, and when you don't set up people and bag of things that tear down on the media. Eh? You just come to boobs and you run gone. You're gone. You understand? So I don't care if you want them over there and you want to talk about Annie need a Wrigley's, Annie this, Annie that. Jayden, I'm not cussing you anymore about nothing. Me even cuss you what you talk about your this and your me not cuss you, me not do that. Me not fi do it. Me not think me supposed to. You see me? So at least me know myself. At least me know what my motherfucking stand.
Blame us for your mistake, bro. You make your own a mistake, bro. You and your people them make your own a mistake, bro. And are you as the mother too. Are you as the mother too, bro. I'm gonna tell you, bro. When the people them have them look a problem, bro, and the people them come to you, think wise. Me know you're not gonna turn me down. 12,000 people now, so big a lion there. You see it? You, when the people them come to you with them problem, bro, you come on the internet, bro. Say you want deal with it, bro. You see it? You say you want deal with it, bro. You know, come on internet and deal with family issue, bro. Cause you give out information to other people so them can cuss up in them with it, bro. You see it? I feel like I give it to everybody, you know. Everybody I give it to right now, you know. Fabi, me I talk to you now. Tell us something. You say if you want me. You say if you want me. You tell me say you want me. You say if you don't want me, you don't want me, youth. Don't come feel like say I got bum buckler jaw back for me. When you feel like you got fall off, don't come feel like you got bum buckler jaw for me. And put him over there, so no. If you want me, you want me. If you don't want me, you don't want me. You tell me if I'm bumbo clock now too. Don't come back and use no bumbo clock mind game here. If you want me, you want me. If you don't want me, you don't want me. I'm here go ball. But please want me. You see it? Oh. True. Bumbo clock, man. Guys, you don't follow think wise there. Follow think wise there. Him saying go send 2 lions. Follow think wise there. Come blame blood clot people for your bumbo clot mistake. Don't blame me. Don't blame bumbo clot me. Don't blame me, darling. What you blame me for? I don't want you to blame me, darling. Don't blame me. Do not blame me. I am not to be blamed. Yourself is to be blamed. Do not blame me. No, you're bad to me neither, no. No, you're bad to me, no. And me know why you're bad to me, no. Me know why you're bad to me, no, you. Me know why you're bad to me, you. Tell me, I tell you. You see it? Guys, you know, follow mix there, Freddie Malo. Me know why you're bad to me, no, you. Me know why nobody are bad to me, dog. You see it? Me know why you're bad to me, bro. Don't bad to me, dog. You make a mistake them on the internet, bro. You see it? Don't bad to me, bro. And you don't know me can already, bro. Don't friend me if you don't know me can already. Cause me not, hey, me not like no friend, you know. As much as you see me as upon the happy, you know. You know, so me there run, slime and put us all low me there run, you know. It's when me go to my cabana, bro. I'm going to go to you in person, bro. I rate you for true. Rate you for true, dog. So I don't want to see some rate you, dog, and take that rating there and deal me like some pussy, you. Come here, tell you, say. Me are not normal somebody youth. Me are not normal somebody youth. The jacket I can wash still, but me are not normal somebody dog. Blame your pretti dog, don't blame me. You don't throw away your kids. You don't throw away your kids. But which one of you and your kids can match up to what Jayden did right now in a life? Me better than the whole of your family. Me better than the whole of you. Whole of you, me smarter than whole of you. Me have 9 subjects and a degree.
And that no mean zit. That no mean nothing over TikTok. Sorry to say. You know what I mean? It's good to have an education, but that no do nothing over TikTok. The subject them and the degree, it no do nothing over TikTok. You see me I say as long as you can read, you're good over TikTok. Right? Simple. So it good and nice him have something to fall back on because them say a good education never decay. You know what I mean? And maybe that work in him favor still. Maybe him know marketing and he know strategy and all these things because of the type of subject them will have. I don't know the type of subject them will have or the degree them have. Maybe them work over. Maybe them work like the moves them will make that help him with the moves them will make. You see me I say? So, wanna tell me, my people, tell me if that have no use at all over TikTok because that can make people like you, although, you know what I mean, based upon the subject them where you have, you can, you know what I mean, you don't know how to do, like marketing and all these strategy and things to get people to gravitate to you. Let me know what I think.
Do not beat me! When you can go to school, let me tell you something. When you can go bumbo class school, me going on the props. When you can go bumbo class school, me going on the bumbo class props. Me going on the props. No, go to school, the whole family dance. All the man will get dance to girl. Go suck your mama girl. All down the dance, bro. I want you. I say you want me up, no. You want me deal with it, you want me deal it like the rest of them, no. All if me not have no family, bro. All if me not have no family, bro. Me still never give up on myself, bro. Me still never give up on myself, dog. And you can know so me grow good. Me still a win, bro. All if me no grow with family, dog, me still a win, bro. Me still a win, dog. Me blessed, dog.
Come out here, so with your 2 mouth, me not have to cuss you and tell us say you suck, you nyam, you try. I'm not gonna do that. Take up me put my ring this up. Me? This time I not go that route there with you.
Are you a ring for true, yes? Are you a ring because are you bumbo clap, mate? Your marriage is fake. Your marriage is bumbo clap. Nothing about your life not real, darling. Nothing about your life not real. You buy bumbo clap ring for yourself. So me can get married right now. Me can married right now. I buy ring for my bumbo clap self. On all fake marriage.
You ever tell me say in a nowhere in a you can't understand about a woman when you go around and deal with. You come talk about them body, you come disrespect them, you video them, you want video them jazz, all of them something. Just because you want views on social media. Eh?
Views.
Nobody don't want to tell you the truth. But me can tell you this. You're there with my daughter. You never did have to come back on the media concert of my daughter. Even the things that where you tell blood clot shade. Eh? If you was a real blood
If Shay come rock, bro, Jano Star.
And if you still want them on the media come talk to me like me or your blood clot friend. Eh? You know the reason why people say you're a batty man? You ever hear nobody can slaughter slime? Eh? You flavor them. I mean not this slime me not this you.
They can't this slime.
But you ever come out here and chat about slime? Eh? Are you flavor it? Eh?
Yes, slime my favorite. Slime of my dog, slime of my brother.
Because them the people there. How will you specialize?
I'm a brother that.
And you're a dirty family.
I'm a brother that.
And you're not a body.
I'm a brother that.
After we look down upon me, I'm a pity.
That money.
After we laugh off of me.
I'm a brother that.
You want to come here so come talk in my face. I say me and you for my friend. Go suck out your mama. Go suck out your blood clot. Mama will chop you off of the orphan home.
Me still knowing about those though.
My blood clot picnic. Me shop with me.
Annie. Listen me, Annie. Yeah, say my mother dash me away. Yeah, say my mother drop me off. Look at me now. If you look outside, the car we are full up. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. My mother drop me off. And me still never met that bad of me, bro. Finna reach nowhere in life, bro. You see it? Me still never go bumbo clot sell me daughter. Me still never go give slime if you go fuck nobody. Me still never make bumbo clot slime go fuck nobody. Remember that. Me never sell me daughter. Me never bumbo clot sell me daughter. Slime no get molest. Me no get molest. Go near more to mama Annie. You have a dirty life. Your life look like your blood clot teeth and go suck out your mama. Go near more to mama Annie. Go suck out your mother. Your bumbo clot dirty teeth. Hey, stinking blood clot, hungry belly blood clot, stinking suckwood gal. Wanna stop suckwood from blood.
Hey, my people, some serious thing I talk, yes, you know. And me don't think this is no joke because nobody can ramp so rough. This a ramping here well rough. You see what I say? But people, wanna make me know what to think because as I said before, everything on TikTok and social media to me are entertainment here, man. Big man thing. Me I invest my time, energy, you know what I mean, in a them or something more than watch and laugh and say, Jano, Ray, you see me? Let me know what you think.
Blood clot, that's all. You suck good in every blood clot parish. I can't on a bumbo clot visa, that's why you go to bumbo clot seas. Go suck some uto because you love suck wood, Annie. You're a wood sucker. Why you love to suck wood? Why not stop suck wood? Every wood I get your bumbo clot suck and video blood clot. Go suck your mama, Annie. We tired of you. Come off a bumbo clot internet. We tired of your bumbo clot. You notice me never dissociate. Me never dissociate, you know. But you call feet blood clot. You call feet, man. A full bumbo clot time now. You call feet blood clot now. Stinking old Annie. Rotten teeth Annie. Low life Annie. You big and think and worthless. None of your bumbo clot. You and your man them no make my bumbo clot sense. Your life no make no blood clot sense. And your mother should have blood clot. That's you bumbo clot. But you can't make no ras clot sense. You there also 50 blood clot years on the planet. You see, and all the thing you can prove is say you get out of life is a bumbo clot pitney and say you're so bumbo clot own. That is the only evidence we have to say, yeah, you're there on earth, bro. That is the only bumbo clot evidence we have to say on earth, bro. You see it? If you say you suck wood in a video, you suck wood in a video, and your bumbo clot have how much bumbo clot pitney, and you're fucking all hardy. You're hardy. Your blood clot all hardy. You're hardy. Stinking girl, go suck out your mom, man. Out here, man. Big stinking whore out, Annie. You can't diss nobody. You can't diss nobody. When you bumbo clap, in a ras clap, bumbo clap, pussy look like a bumbo clap, mad road. And your bumbo clap, pussy look like a bumbo clap, pit. And your bumbo clap, I know my bumbo clap tile look better than your ras clap, dirty stinking pussy on it. Go suck out your mama girl. Honey, go and go flush your bumbo clap toilet. Go flush your toilet. Dirty woman, go flush your bumbo clap toilet, show me. Go flush your bumbo clap toilet, show me. Flush your toilet, show me, girl. Stinking fuck out, Annie. Wanna stop fuck and bumbo clap your daughter. When you bumbo clap Mika, company ass clap internet, I come talk about man shoot out in a body. What kind of lifestyle you know live youth? What kind of example you have set for pity them youth? What kind of example you have set for pity them? What? No, me no see I set no example for you pity them in a dirty dog shit, girl. Stinking crutches, girl. Your favorite shit. Your favorite blood class shit when you catch up on the bumbo class toilet. Stinking blood clot front, girl. Go suck out your woman.
Blood clot. Stinky.
Come son. Do that now, man. Do that now and see if a bumbo clot house no drop down, girl. Do that now and see if a bumbo clot house no drop down. Suck out, girl. Do that now. Stinking pussy, Annie. Thinking more, girl. Wriggle is enough for blood clot brush teeth. Wriggle is enough to teeth brush. Wriggle is enough teeth brush, darling. Your teeth still have got drop out. Wriggle is enough teeth brush. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Dentist. School. Water. Come, girl. Come. Mama fix up in your blood clot now. Job. Ambition. School. Mouthwash. Self-esteem. House. Toilet. Big 50-year-old woman and no good house. Go suck your mama, girl. Let's see her breathe up.
Come take advantage of them. Pussy, you treat Batty man the most best. You treat blood clot Batty man the most blood clot best.
You're there. You did one. Your plan never blood clot walk. You did one. Me tell her what you did one. It's because me treat the other girl that me there with good. Them, you see them get them ears done, you see them get them nails done, you see them get them ear done, and you see them a drive car. You think say that your daughter did go get. You think say that. But that never work. It never work, darling.
All you do is stay with blood clot woman and expose them. For your views.
So,
feel good.
So who exposed you then?
Your mother.
Who exposed she?
Just send me a blood clot request. You could have want to send me think.
Honey, remember say, Jayden get the 5 bills. To fix the door. Remember that. I want it back. Me want it back. Me don't give a fuck if Bob go grow up on my face or whatever. Me want it back. Me want back my $5 bills for me gear on it. Stinking crutches on it.
Alright, my people. So, we're going to move on to the next. Want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Hear the man say, want back his money when give her. This a youth, yeah. I feel like say, people fi know by now, don't take nothing from the youth, yeah. Because him say, everybody who get a cheer from him, I forget to work. You know what I mean? Now, he give Anya money, he want it back. But people tell me what they think. Because what's up, boy?
And you really want this me? Want me turn off my bumbo clock life? Aye?
Like, me just avoid each other. My cousin say what me I say and go on about my business. Because I realize him team up with Debo. Him team up with the nigga. You understand me? You don't know the nigga named Debo will come from Friday. The one, the big old bully.
Oh, me not, I first me I wouldn't
But
touch
the nigga when him share me I talk about.
I swear to God, I don't know them people there. I think I didn't
Well, the nigga when them call name Shay Debo will come from Friday, the big old bully with the on the app. Jayden team up with fucking Shay. You understand me? And things when him do, him go and tell Shay things about my kids, especially Mika Boo and Mika and next Shay constantly. They pa me pin them till they pa me WhatsApp now. Destiny Shay, the whole of them. You get me? And it's coming from Jayden.
Jayden put out the number?
No, him said this morning I never input out no number. Him said that the part they are not him.
So all this to get the number.
I tell the life on him. I talk about the things and when tell the girl.
So Annie, why you make Jayden even go there with Mika? You should even make that.
We can't make Mika Jayden there with Mika. Mika 19-year-old. Even me, Vani look for me.
You go there with him now.
Even me go to Mika and say, Mika, you really go there with Jayden. She said she really like him.
So
and Vani after nobody turned on for me and say, me make you there with Jayden. Yeah, because watch it, you know. Remember, say me and Jayden are did friend, you know. And me go to my daughter personally, you know, and me I say, you know, say me not too like this because if friendship will go sour, if the relationship goes sour between she and Jayden, everything are gonna become bad. So me come and me talk to her, me say to her, I say, Mika, you sure what you do? She said she really a feeling see him and whatever. She go ahead and talk to him. After everything turned down for me, they say me set her up on Jayden. Even when Jayden didn't call down my phone for talk to Mika, and the two of them are deal with them own thing. They said they don't want me and Mika them relationship.
Well, he could have get my phone. He could have get my phone for use, you know. Jayden.
No, my phone. He call Mika for fear phone.
Oh, Jayden would have to go buy Mika one phone then if I saw be the case. So
yes.
no, they're not there now.
No, they're not there.
Mika should have known that Jayden no want nobody. Fabi alone Jayden want to see.
You understand me? I say even what they two of them avoid me I come. Even two of them avoid each other. She begs because Jayden started to make people call her Fvckery. You get me? And you know say while we pass that and while we start talk back to each other like and start run joke about it. And I say Jayden stop. Don't do certain things towards my daughter. Remember say I'm a pitney. You get me? And Jayden still come back online, come do it. Go back go tell Debo say, oh Shay, Mika Boo and him in a back seat a car and one bag of blood clot bullshit. Jayden come tell people about Mika. Man push it in a Mika anus. One bag of nastiness in my
yeah, but over here that is Mika tell him that and the people them say Mika go live go talk about that too. Me did ask about that.
Ask Mika boy she talk about something like that. Me don't have to see the screen record. My mouth and say something like that.
Guys, I saw the live. I want to see man tell me say Mika go live go talk about that. Come there a cuss and I say Jayden should do that, you know. And then say Mika go live and talk about it so nothing wrong.
I never hear Mika say that. Mika said she got through certain abuse and she talk about the first time when time she lose her virginity. She never said nothing like that. Them a set it the way how them want to set it. And Anna do not know my girl. Come see her text and I say, Anna, this her sister and call her sister DoorDash. Right when she vex. You know, get Jayden no right to come and call her no fucking Fvckery.
No.
Oh, no fight time when you see Jayden disrespect woman and drag woman like a dog. I want to say nothing at all about it.
There is something they say me have the video when she do. Alright guys, that pass and gone now. It's like, we don't bring up that do man pitney. But she and Jayden no man. And see Jayden post one video about Wrigley's today.
What is someone you want from mama? Mom, give her something to eat. What she want, one snack.
See Jayden post about Wrigley's. Yeah, post about regulars all different type of something. Yeah, you favor your mother in Jamaica. Humble clad. Come see something. Why, Mika? You done gone bad already. Whoop ya. Hey, dog shit. What is it? What? Hello? I'd scam somebody else tomorrow. Not today.
I'm not scamming you.
I don't have any money for you. Go.
Newly updated.
Every day scam like they call my phone. Mika, why Mika? You have a conversation online about where eat mass, I say.
What conversation?
Where in tell people about how you say man push brain and you get winner ends.
No, I did not have any conversation like that with Jayden.
You're talking for live, Mika. You're talking for live.
No, I did not talk anything on live. Them talking about my story when I post.
So people that must say me have the video when she says that pan live.
There's a voice note.
I video when every time she says me attack on first time I say somebody push. Like I say if somebody push something and you jump up and whatever. Oh yeah, echo, lock your car door. Open the window. You have to mute her.
What?
Oh, I can't hear what she has said. Oh, she have to hear.
You said him push it in your body and you push him off. We said nothing for voice note.
Wait, you did say for live? Because see what people them say, Vani, me have the video. Send me video, me see them. See, me that
YouTube.
So what the conversation was about?
No, I know too, because I don't remember. You have to show me evidence. You remember things. I don't remember nothing.
Vani, tell them to show you. Show me a video. Send it for me Instagram or me TikTok. YouTube. Me did watch one video when you say.
Since my story time, I may say.
I lip them big in because I don't watch my lip them because I like chat about my lip them. Me I go look, wait. Send me for me Instagram or me TikTok. Yeah, send the video. Mika, what is look at the little girl that break, man? Baba tea? One more? Oh, see somebody. Let me see about it.
My story time was about
I look very sensitive. As we were saying, I don't know, I can't speak well. So no,
Don't put it on it? No, but Mika, you there out there and it will talk about. Me nah go play. Me nah go play. Me nah play, baby. Pause the live, Mika. Pause your one.
me jump. When you done what you just add me back.
You jump. I jump. She feels some type of way, if you understand. I wait there.
a little bit into my world. Just don't send this video to my mother. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So that you guys want content. And you're going to get content a lot. But at this moment, you just have a job like peace, because as I said, Wi-Fi problem. So let's get into it. So now me and this guy was dating for 2 years, and out of the 2 years we was not like doing nothing. We're not doing nothing. It was just like kissing and talking and all that stuff.
Alright, people, let me know what they think in the comment, because the video them I use to bring down Mika, and on a level my people, I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't really see like nothing really wrong with that video more than a person that tell them story. You see me I say she did nothing wrong. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, the type of thing what she do upon her human, you know what I mean, is like you share certain experience with people. You know what I mean? If you entertain them or whatever. So, I don't too see nothing wrong with it still. You see? But let me know what you think.
So, me and my young man, me in love. I was in love with this guy. Before I take with this boy, and in something with the boy. So, me say, as I am the boy, tell me, say, come over. I say, come over. But I was never thinking about it. I was never thinking about it. Pass your mind. You know,
Why? What happened? Alright. Oh, wait. Let me see if I can slow it down. Let's slow it down to...
I should have learned my lesson. So, basically, you didn't know, start kiss from me, just go straight down, start kiss. I'm a serious thing, so boy, I'm going to eat it up. That boy, I kiss me, but I'm a serious thing, so I'm going to get my eat. I didn't get no eat. This truck, don't go with the truck, they don't far from me, and I make so much noise. But anyways, I didn't get no eat. The nigga now, take out your rifle. Yeah, can I say?
Auntie Elma already out there.
I want to think. So, I never see a tully before. I'm not going to say them the way I can't open your watch. I never see a tully before. So the first time I see a tully, I was like, tully. I wonder where it's going, and I didn't watch. Certain things I don't know when I watch, I didn't watch those stuff. So it was just a new experience for me. So now, you start now, and then you just start pushing up on your body, work to blood.
Stop this and now. Watch out, them put rid of... I mean, they were laughing about it. Why I put red as right sometimes? Why? Well, it just confirm honest, as she said. I agree. That's not anime.
Play, look a bit past that. Look a bit.
Play, right there.
Look a bit past that, yeah. Let's have a bit past that.
Let me push me down, run off my bed and say, yo, how are you? I'm like, brother, what you do? How are you? See, I'm a party, yo. I'm like, yo. I'm going to say, sorry. So I'm like, like, literally, I was in the mood, so I was just like, so the nigga come on, like, he said, start walking here, leave back in there, say, position.
Yeah, but swing, because she's
taking time, putting it back, and feel it, as we start back up. I never think that we start back up, as they push it back up, I'm pushing it back up. I was like, what up, alive?
Alright,
well, Annie, even if she didn't want to lock him up, she could have locked him up because after a while, she said she didn't
words.
like.
Morning, Jabaz.
She ended up get like you.
Morning.
Hold on there, that she said?
What's Annie?
That part the way you say, that she said?
She said when him do it, she draw out and say, where are the brother? And him say, sorry. Then after that and them talk about it, he end up push it in back again and she end up did I get like it. But me I say even if she did want to lock him up, she tell a story and she a smile.
Yeah.
It I just used to say, okay, she know about it, she end up like it. Cause from the first go, she should have just cut, but she laughing at the video and a smile while I tell the story. So maybe not funny to her, but she just put on a smile. So police all use it, said that can't use in a court cause she like it. And then she go talk it, say, him put it back again and them do it again. So he just said that's one of them. That's one of them something like that. And I don't know if I laugh about guys, really and truly. And I don't know if I laugh about or make fun of nobody. I can't ever tell them to stop bullying people on the app on the show. No Donisha. When you say no Donisha, no because you don't like them, you might not know, you might bully her about this situation and she go take her life, stop bullying people on the app. And then I want to see them when I go feel it, as much as I want to eat them. If she go hurt herself or I don't know. I want to see him when I go ball and say life short, RIP and something, stop bullying people because you don't know the intention when people have and everybody can say bullying.
It wrong door. Yeah, I understand. The
go by it wrong, she shouldn't even, then she goes say don't show my mother this. You know people don't like your mother, you know your mother go eventually see it. You eventually go see it. We understand, so you know you want to tell a story, I come tell my business too, but it done and gone bad already guys, you don't have to bully her.
I go long, I never even know. I never even did watch the video them.
I feel bad for she now. I feel bad for her mother for hear this.
Alright, my people. The video I go too long, you know. I don't want to talk too much and stretch it out. So let me know what you think in the comment section because I have more things to share.
And she just said no. I mean, understand why she said no, because she probably never want her mother to see it like she stated it in the video. So, they can't just make that go on, man. You don't have to bully her about that or make that pass.
Well, I know said that them are going to Vani. You understand me?
Yeah, despite the mother who don't like her, whatever.
You have to be there for me, so I have to go talk to her about it because you realize that not even she no want to watch it. You understand?
Add him. Make Jabaz add Jayden. I add him. Next thing I go, you say me add him for cause quarrel.
We're not playing no fun activity this morning. We're not playing no fun activity this morning.
You play a deer game?
No. I was sweet onion. We can't, this is like a confusing your fuck. What we are talking about? What we are doing?
Onion are easy, you know?
Onion, I was sweet young.
To me, when they play live with this Annie, I said nobody come for me lip. But see here.
No, just sometimes it's so the fuck out.
So, Tony, I'm ready to play a dear game, darling.
When I zone out, I get bigger. Because I'm come out of the child.
Fine.
Alright, Jabaz worry about that money. Watch him. He just died for match that. Jabaz, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Something I gonna make today.
Guys, so in there, Jabba, shoot for me.
Come.
Let me tell you this before we start.
Solo match.
This is what I say before we start. See, if we don't go dear about me feel nothing negative or nothing bad, but and then we not agree. I tell you friend now, you know. Me say me not tell you friend no.
Yeah, I said nobody there.
Okay. Come team. Everybody, let's go. I'm not going to friend now. Let's go team. I beg everyone and our friend do. In the mighty name of Jesus.
I don't think you like Annie. Is you crazy?
That was I wonder.
Why would you even say that?
I wonder if you're a manager.
Guys, it's a dear game.
First triple
Dear game team, triple a dear
Everybody for the first
game.
triple shot. Follow me gift today.
A dear game, chat triple.
That is it, Miss Buffy. Come team, push up the score team. Push up the
Team a
score.
dear game. Give me one galaxy, man.
First triple, come the
You
team.
know what time it is.
First triple team, make it
Fly
one
Funky baby TikTok.
Come the
Triple
team.
me team.
Chili, dance, chat, shoot.
I'm begging the market, sir. I have to lock off the market, sell I am. I'll be said, thank you, baby. Body guys, sniper triple is a dear game. I don't like me.
Follow Jenny. Follow Patrina, why? Follow Patrina, I'll follow Jenny. Follow Patrina and Jenny.
Oh, she talk
Follow
like
Patrina
that,
and
man.
Jenny. Follow First Lady. Jabaz. Look at her.
And you can see all out. Go ahead, try mix me. I don't believe that. I didn't cost nobody. Go away, business.
Machine,
Attack you, man, over. Alive attack. You think we are idiot? Go and you can see all out. Hey, chat, they're wicked. You said they just wow, we start.
Only have to tell me say alive.
She a cuss on for choose.
You record me, listen to and watch back.
We are gonna look. I did not cuss before. You're too lie, man.
Alright, tell it to blood clot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see.
Yeah, the people like mix them as fuck, dog.
Leave a British, big up, Patrina win.
None of them don't look for that. Even if you say I'm a friend, you get what I say, auntie. I'm here, you're a friend, and you see a girl that cuss me. If you was my friend, you would go up and tell the girl, say, girl, no matter with that man. Annie just have vent. You know, Annie just want her friends them to have her back. That's how it go. Like if a girl try me sensation, take my life, as such. She just want a friend with them to her.
Hey, look what I'm chatting about.
Really big up yourself, shooter.
Yes, everybody want TikTok with this. If everybody listen, why I don't know if listen? Who is me if you get this?
That's why I win. Shoot my praise, I can't get a wheel.
Like this. can't tell me this, I'm looking at man.
You Ghanaians.
Ask the wheel. Shut up, man.
Guys, just tag your legs in.
We are chat, wheel. Nobody me think it's the wheel for me now, you know. Cause you will make that happen.
Thank you.
No one win.
Guys, we can pass out Jayden score with some donut. It's a dear game. I mean, I have no mercy on them. Sorry. Me not have no mercy. Pass out.
That's shoot. Jesus Christ, chat, shoot, not chat.
Make una shoot team, please. Havens, thank you, baby. Thank you, Havens. Thank you. Thank you, Havens. Havens, thank you, baby.
We are not.
Square pass it. Everybody come together.
Thomas, shut up and me and take you one. Right, that's a chat. One more, sir, silent chat. Thank you. Right, that's a chat. Shoot. Do it for me, chat. Shoot. Yes. Yes, shoot, chat. Shoot again. Shoot again, chat. Shoot again. Yes, chat. Right, that's a chat. Yes, shoot.
That's a big last slide, please.
Gloves.
Nobody has no gloves over here. Look at the gloves over here.
Guys, they can use the donut. Donut team. You see, donut them, use the donut them and combo. Oh my God, I don't got no gloves. Thank you. Guys, donut tree, donut. Our vice versa, baby guys. Donut me team, donut. Chat snipe.
Everybody jumps up in the chat.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna watch a bit more and then we're gonna move on to the next. So tell me what you think in the comment section, my people.
Guys, thank you for the money, guys. Tip for your big toe for your whole match. Balance for your big toe. You know to do that?
Jayden, where do you be?
We can do it or you want another deer?
My good man, I can't tip and big.
Hey, so enough. To be exact. For your tiptoe, for your big toe. For your whole match. You want me to demonstrate show you before you accept?
Jayden, give me your body, I can't chat, your part.
No, I just want to know you.
Give me there.
MVP Truth, God, thank you, baby. Sweetheart.
Yeah?
Thank you, baby. Miss Lan, Alicia, Joy Rich, Roro, Quell. Thank you, babies. I appreciate it. What you give for the chat?
We go with me, so we get some made me.
Let me see it. Scatter, so in a curly night, looking at
family, you know.
Just say you're a jackpot, that's what I say.
Batman, give me here, you.
Come on, see a balance for your two fuel. You put out the phone to me.
Before I come France in the van, I told me I can balance man.
No, we cannot see that. We have to see your food, so you have to get a next deer then. That's why I ask you if you want me.
Just sing. I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah, no.
You want the next deer or what? We have to see the for your toe pine. We can't just see your top body. We don't know if it's for your toe pine.
You man next day, man. Oh God, man. If you foot them, can't manage that. How you two go manage?
Alright, here more you do now. You see? Get the toothpaste. Like eye patch. And there you draw one line so and draw one next line so. Come to Miami, get people then go away.
I want to get in.
Start to match them up.
Come. If you ever hold me sick. Chat, thank you. Big up.
But all fuck out there, man. Me never fuck on no father head, come in a fuck all man. I never fuck with no uncle. I don't know any little boy my blood clot take. G have in the chest. Come in a fuck scout. I know me not fuck no son. Cause you never see me on the doorway yet a blood clot. Ease up for me, man. Extra small shirt, me not think it can fit, you know. Every day you not worry about me all, and I worry about my all. My mother never will out me all, you know, you know. You not go like you don't know about yourself. I can't bring forth a boy with blood clot talk about yourself. I never think of a boy yet. And a boy never drop through my hole like strainer yet a blood clot. And the one boy got talk about my whole sort of film cocky blood clot salt. Bigger than me go dead. Now play with me. Oh. I don't want I forget wicked boy, yeah. Saying if you don't know, you keep me in my girl era. Because you not passing no place now. You not chuck cross fence. You not talk about crying, you talk about big and fuck out. You know no secret for me. Cause I not talk, you can't bring forth a boy and fuck me out. Yeah, at 20 a year me in a dance hall for. Out of the 20 a year me in a dance hall, a man style who never fuck me. Take a good look. My blood clot name in the good book. You know they can cost me and make up things. You know no secret for me. Can a boy arrest and cocky back here so like a spliff tail a blood clot. Can me done tell you already, you know. A 69 me I deal with. So no boy can't hold no sucking argument with me. So I don't want to no play with me. And a boy no secret for you so. You see a big mouth here. A virgin. And no boy no secret feet. You hear me I tell you already. Cause any boy come tell me about no eat and dying for blood clot dying. Me tell you that long time. Me no want to no take no set for me. Every day you no come in the boy inbox. I talk about me I eat the boy I go like me and somebody and me fuck out. And no secret for me. Name a selector we fuck me. Name a artist we fuck me. Blood clot me in a dance hall. Name one. Bring forth one we fuck me. Come here every minute to no depend. Die my fuck out. Every minute on the depend that. Dance all this and dance all that. Bring forth a blood clot artist and fuck me in a dance all make me hear now. And bring forth a selector, bring forth a producer, and bring forth a promoter and fuck me. A one man ever take out a dance all, a 20 a year in a dance all and a monster. 20 a year. Take a good look. My blood clot name in the good book. Now do that man. I'm not too bright. Oh me can't find me charger pop, charge up my phone chat. Sure. I don't want to no play with me, man. I mean to know over the boy blood clot page. I can't call up my blood clot name. Every minute to know over the page, I can't call up my name like you not secret for me. You not secret for me. You not worry about me. I'm 44 and fabulous. Enough now live for me age. Me I run down 50. I don't know about Uno, but me I run down 50. Can you see my 50th birthday God spare my life? A problem I throw down. Me I run down 50. I don't know about Uno. Me like my age. Cause enough for Uno at 20. Let me sing me song for Uno. Let me run my tune for Uno. Cause some girl at 20 and look like 40. I wear my own clothes. I not borrow for shorty. I play my song. Cause I come like Uno deal with. Uno deal with that song. I find me song. I build me song, you know.